Here we have the female reproductive system model. Again, the perineum is the structure between the symphysis pubis, and then the sacrum is back here, and the coccygeal bone, right? So we're looking at the structures here and the pelvic outlet. We have the female genitalia are here, right? Then the urethra and the vagina both empty inside the labia majora, and if we open up, you see this is the labia minora, right? So the vaginal opening is here within the labia minora. Here's the urethra, which is going to allow you to drain urine from the bladder. So bladder, uterus, rectum. Rectum comes out through the anus. Right, so if we put this back, you see the symphysis pubis, or the pubic bone, the bladder, the uterus, and the rectum. Okay, now looking at the inside wall, you have again the transversus abdominis, the blood vessels that are supplying the pelvis, and as well as the lower extremities. So you have the common iliac artery and vein, as well as the external iliac artery and vein and the internal iliac artery and vein. Here's the ovary. Sorry, number 15 is the ovary. It's attached via the ovarian ligament, which is number 16. 14 here is the beginning of the uterine tube. This part here is the infundibulum with the fingers hanging down. The fingers are called the fimbria. And then the uterine tube comes forward or anterior and then down to the uterus, right? So then the uterine tube empties into the uterus. Number 17 is the round ligament of the uterus, which helps connect and stabilize the uterus within the pelvic wall. In this model, you can actually even see the different layers of the uterus, right? So the first layer is the glandular layer, which is the endometrium. Most of the wall of the uterus here is the myometrium, or the muscle of the uterus, and then the outer edge here is going to be the perimetrium, which is